Mr. Weiss, Ross Services. We're going to start the leak inspection. We bleached out the areas around the returns and the vacuum line, which are the areas we're going to be working on as far as doing hydraulic seal and also pressure testing the lines. We're going to clean up the bottom too, so we have access to the drain to do a cement seal there and also to pressure test the drain. A couple things we noticed. Many of the returns have been patched before, so we're going to work on these areas too to reinforce them. You can see the epoxy there, over here as well. There is one structural crack coming down the tile, and it's running right through this return line. So this will need to get stapled, and also we cannot pressure test the lion's head because the 1-inch pipe that goes inside the wall is connected to this tubing right here, and the tubing will not hold pressure. So if you're going to replace the lion's head, then we can come back and just have them removed, and then we'll have access to the pipe that feeds that tubing, so we can pressure test and see what's wrong with it. If you are not replacing the lion's heads, the recommendation is after the project is done, run the pump with the lion heads off and make sure the pool does not leak, and then after that you may turn them on and see how the pool is going to act with them running. But if you are replacing them, just remove them off the wall and we can come back and pressure test them. Mr. Weiss equipment area continued. These are the two return lines. The one to the right where the rig is connected to is the pool return. We have induced 10 psi of pressure, and the pool return holds pressure, indicating there's no break on that line. The one to the left, this is the fountain one for the lion's head. Once they are removed, if that will be the game plan, let us know so we can test this line as well. Vacuum line pressurizing. We got about 8 psi of pressure, holding pressure, indicating there's no leak on the vacuum line. Alright, so we cut around all the returns. The area was really bad shape. Surface broke down real easy, so we open it up and we're gonna cement seal all these areas with hydraulic cement to reinforce the structure prior to doing the job. Now keep in mind there is a crack on this return that needs to be stapled.